Welcome to my channel Learn English Together. Hi friends! Today we will replace normal English with advanced English. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Leave me alone. Give me a break. How are you? How's it going? It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tied up. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? I like you a lot. I'm so into you. If you found this spoken English practice video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to show your support, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any topics you'd like to see in future videos. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more spoken English videos.